Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you're a long-time subscriber here, you'll have heard me say this before, but you know what? It's still true, so I am going to say it again. Free, free, free. Everybody loves free. And because everybody loves getting stuff for free, today I'm going to show you how you can get two things for free legally. Yes, you can get these two things for free legally. The first thing is stunning videos. Yep, in this video, not only am I going to be showing you how you can download and then re-upload all of these incredible videos, plus thousands more, for free legally, but I'm also going to show you how you can take these free videos online and then re-upload them as new videos. And of course, I'll also show you case studies of creators who have done this and now have tens of thousands of subscribers and millions of views for free. Yay! So that's one thing that I'm going to be teaching you how you can get for free. The second thing that I'm going to show you how you can get for free legally is my eternal gratitude. Yes, you can get my eternal gratitude for free legally if you just take a moment to hit the like button and to subscribe, because seriously, every time you do it, it genuinely supports me. So thank you so much for those of you out there that take a moment to do so. So yes, now that you have gotten my eternal gratitude, it's time to move on to getting videos for free. And I'll tell you what, there is one method that we are not going to do, and that is to download TikTok videos. Yes, it is sad, but unfortunately there are some very popular YouTube tutorials out there on how to find free videos to download online that teach the method of finding popular TikTok videos and then downloading them using a video downloader app and then re-uploading them to a different website like YouTube. And the reason why we're not going to do this method is because doing so would be 100% illegal. Yes, because of this. Copyright laws. Anytime any of us film or create a video, it is immediately protected by law with copyright. No registration required, and so that means that only we have the rights to use it and no one else does unless we give them permission. And so if you illegally download and re-upload TikTok videos without permission, not only are you risking getting sued, but you'll also not be eligible for earning money from advertising and creator cash payouts. So please don't break copyright laws. Instead, the trick is to find two different types of videos. The first is videos that have been placed in the public domain. This is when the creator of a video waives all of their copyright protections and instead publicly announces that their video is instead being placed into the public domain as an act of goodwill. So this means then that as long as you aren't using it in a way that is illegal, that you can use it for both personal use and commercial use, such as earning money from re-uploading them as new videos and getting paid by video sites like YouTube, Reels, and TikTok with their ad revenue and creator cash payouts. Yay! And another type of video that you can legally download and re-upload is videos that have some form of royalty-free license. So this means that the person who uploaded it has publicly announced that people are allowed to use their video for both personal and commercial purposes for free without having to pay any royalties. But it's not in the public domain because they have placed some restrictions on it. So for example, these videos here that I'll show you how to find and download right now have a royalty-free license, and so they do have a few restrictions. Although, as you'll see, the restrictions are very small, and so for most people, they will not be an issue. Woohoo! So then, let's take a look at how to find these royalty-free videos, shall we? So our first website on the list is this here, Pixels, which I'm sure sounds like I'm saying pixels in my New Zealand accent, where our E's sound like I's. Now, a lot of people think that Pixels is just a website for getting free photos, but it's not just photos, it's for videos as well. Just click on the videos button and now you can do a search for whatever you want a free video of. All the videographers who took these videos have uploaded them to Pixels themselves to share as a gift to the creator community. And you're allowed to use any of these videos for free. And then once you've chosen which video you'd like to use, you just save it in whatever definition you like, probably high definition for most of you. And well, that's it. You can now use it for free. Yay! However, as I said, Pixels is not a public domain website. It is a royalty-free website, which means while you can indeed use these videos for free, they do have a few restrictions. Although the restrictions are honestly minimal. You don't even need to credit the original videographer like you do with traditional Creative Commons license videos. These videos on Pixels have their own custom, less restrictive license that states that you can use them. However, you can't use them unedited. So, for example, just posting this video by itself would not be okay. However, if I combine multiple videos I downloaded together and added another element like my own text on top, I've now edited the video and turned it into something new. Woohoo! And another website that is very similar to Pixels is Pixabay. On here, videographers that are passionate about enabling creators have filmed videos and uploaded them and posted them here for free. You just switch to the video search bar and find whatever you are looking for. And just like Pixels, you can use all of these videos freely for both personal and commercial reasons, without even having to credit the original videographer if you don't want to. Although you absolutely can if you'd like, and it's always appreciated. Their license is very similar to Pixels. Pixabay is also owned by Canva, and so if, like me, you love Canva, then you'll find the Pixabay video library inside of the Canva app. So that means that if you like making videos inside of the Canva app, you can quickly and conveniently use any Pixabay video by just dropping it in, without having to go through the process of downloading them from the Pixabay website and then re-uploading them to the Canva app, which saves a bunch of time. And by the way, if you've been following my channel and you've been thinking, man, I wish Sarah would make even more videos, well, guess what? I have something for you. Yes, I have been working very hard to create a new channel membership for the YouTube channel where you can become a member of the Wholesale TED team. Yep, you may have noticed that there is now a little join button on my channel. Well, when you click that, you'll be able to register to become a Wholesale TED team member. And if you join, you'll get access to a secret-only team membership zone. Here I'll be posting a bonus weekly video every single week. Yep. All of my members get an extra bonus YouTube video from me every week. And the very first bonus video is already up, live, and ready to be watched. Yay! And so if you would like to get even more videos and more content from me, then please consider joining and becoming a Wholesale TED team member, because I would love to see you on the inside. But anyway, back to the video. So those are my favorite websites for finding awesome royalty-free videos that you can download and re-upload. But remember how I said there was another type of free video that you can get? As in public domain videos? How do I find those public domain videos, Sarah? Well, my friend, you are watching the right video. So one great way to find free public domain videos is to go to Google and to find USA government websites that archive and store their videos online. There are several USA government departments such as NASA that upload their videos and let anyone download them as a public good. And there is quite a lot to pick from. And so one way to quickly sort through some of the best videos on the NASA website is to use their most popular option. And some of these videos contain tons of footage, like their video clip showing Earth. This is an absolutely stunning video in the public domain, and it contains 44 minutes of footage. Wow, isn't that crazy? And this is just scratching the surface of public domain government videos. And so because there are so many to choose from, if you would like a collection of the very best, I recommend coming to Pond 5 and to go into their public domain project. Here they have collected and remastered the very best and most interesting government and historical videos that they could find, and they place them back into the public domain so that anyone can download them and use them, which is pretty cool. But of course, I bet a bunch of you watching this are thinking, well, geez, Sarah, does anyone actually get views and subscribers by using free videos? Well, the answer is yes, my friend. Lots of people are getting millions of views every day and thousands of subscribers, all from free videos. For example, take this channel here, Space Shorts. They've been taking massive advantage of these public domain videos. Take this video that they've taken from the NASA public domain. They took a video that showed a rocket ship landing, and then they edited it and they added in some text on top of it. And now this video has had over 12 million, yes, over 12 million views. Isn't that just insane? And so as you can see, that famous saying that nothing good in life comes free is absolutely not true. I mean, come try telling that to Ray's Astrophotography. They've been using free public domain footage released by the Hubble Telescope Project, and they're getting millions of views from viral videos like this. And so my honest advice is just to get creative. Spend some time on popular video sites like YouTube, Instagram Reels, and TikTok and see what styles of videos are popular. For example, do you see that on YouTube Shorts that cat meme videos are popular? Well then, Why not create one out of royalty-free videos like I did here on Canva? And of course, if you do have a video that goes viral and that earns you a bunch of money, then something that I always recommend that you do is to come back to that generous videographer who uploaded their video for free online, and if possible, to donate to them as a thank you for their kind generosity. So then, did my video inspire you? If it did, please hit subscribe and click that little notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos about making free money online. And if you'd like to learn about how people are making free money online with YouTube Shorts, you should be sure to watch my video, How to Make $10,000 a Month for Free with Basic Videos. So go ahead, watch my next video, and I'll see you over there.